everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am in the Hague, and honestly, this city feels like a painting right now. It's early January, it's cold, it's quiet, and there is light snow falling. No rush today, just walking, observing, and letting the city speak. Sometimes you don't need a plan, you just need a place like this. The Hague feels different from other Dutch cities. It's elegant, calm, very balanced. You see these old buildings, wide streets, and everything feels respectful. Look at the architecture. Not too loud, not too modern, just timeless. Walking here in winter makes you slow down. You start noticing small details. Windows, lamps, footsteps in snow. I am crossing a local market now. Even in winter, Dutch markets have their own charm. Simple food, simple smiles, no drama. You hear different languages here. The Hague is international. But it doesn't show off, it just exists. This walk from the city to the sea, it's like moving from thoughts to peace. Now I'm walking away from the center into local neighbourhoods. This is my favorite part of the city. The real life. Look at these houses nearby the canals, the trees, the statue, the cars passing by, bicycles outside, lights inside. It feels warm even in this cold weather. You can imagine families inside, tea or coffee on the table, soft music playing. This is the kind of place where life feels stable. Right now, I'm walking through this garden completely covered in snow on my left side. On my right side, the path where the buses, cars are passing by. I can see some locals with the dogs and with their family. Everything feels quiet, like nature is holding its breath. This garden looks different today. Snow on the grass, snow on the trees. It feels pure, untouched, peaceful. Even a simple garden feels special in winter. No colors, just white, silence, and soft footsteps. Moments like this don't need words, just a slow walk and time to feel. Yeah. On my right, these quiet houses, windows glowing softly, life happening inside. This is what I love about walking through cities like this. Nothing is dramatic, yet everything feels meaningful. Just simple homes, simple paths, and a calm moment in between. The air feels different now. You can feel the sea before you see it. Less buildings, more open space. A church nearby the beach. I can see it. Snow, silence, wind. It feels unreal. Moments like this remind me why I travel sometimes or often. And here it is, the beach. I have seen beaches before, but never like this. Snow on the sand, cold wind, and the sea just doing its own thing. The big waves. This moment, I will remember it for a long time. It feels like the world stopped for a few minutes just for me. No noise, no expectations, just presence, pure presence. If you ever come to The Hague in winter, don't rush. Just walk from the city through homes to the sea. Thank you for walking with me today. If you felt even a little bit of calm, then this video did this job. See you in the next journey. Like, share and subscribe.